Hello guys, today I want to show you how to install WSL 2 in Windows. First we can click the Windows button and then we can type PowerShell, and then in here we click the Run as Administrator. Yes, in this command line, we can type WSL install. As you can see, now this will process to install WSL plus version. Make sure that you have internet connection. After we finish download WSL, it will install automatically. We only need just to wait. As you can see, now the WSL is installed in this Windows, but we need to restart this PC, so I will restart this first. After we restart the computer, we can check it in this Windows button. As you can see right here, there are WSL and WSL setting. We also can check it from PowerShell. We can type WSL status. As you can see right here, WSL version is 2, and we can run the configuration from WSL setting right here. We can change the configuration in here, memory and processor. We can configure the network in here and use optional feature in here. I think it is enough tutorial how to install WSL last version in Windows. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen.